Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the serene and highly sought after quiet and safe neighborhood of Bridgemount Heights, Kingston 8 is this expansive 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home for sale. It sits on 1/3 acre of land and offers a unique opportunity to create your dream residence. With breathtaking views of the city, this 5-bedroom home is a canvas waiting for your vision. Whether you're looking to design your dream home or invest in a promising property, this fixer-upper in Bridgemount Heights offers endless possibility. Seize the opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of Kingston's most prestigious communities. Contact your realtor today to schedule a viewing and explore the possibilities. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.